Dispatchers in Europe. Get ready to revolutionize your trucking operations with IMPARGO. We bring you 3 game-changing features that will take your business to the next level. First, the open truck navigation apps in the DriverApp. Your drivers can now access over 20 truck and non-truck navigation apps directly from the IMPARGO DriverApp. Say goodbye to app switching hassle and choose your preferred navigation app. Next up, we have the automated arrival notification to your customers. Our platform automatically sends email notifications to your customers 1 hour before the driver arrives. They'll receive all the essential details, ensuring smooth communication throughout the process. Lastly, our idle drivers alert feature allows dispatchers to proactively identify drivers who may need assistance. Keep your fleet moving with maximum efficiency by spotting drivers who haven't moved for a while or are waiting beyond the assigned limit. Try IMPARGO Transportation Management System for free today.